Recently, Google has introduced new AI tool called Dreamix. This AI tool helps to convert text to video or image to video, and the results are extremely quite amazing. This research paper documenting Google's AI team steps for text to video has been released, and now we can see a few examples of how it works. Dreamix can create videos based on image and text inputs. In this example, it is able to instill complex motion in a static image, adding a moving shark and making the turtle swim. In this case, visual fidelity to object location and background was preserved, but the turtle direction was flipped. I can show you more examples to better understand and clarity. Given a video and a text prompt, Dreamix edits the video while maintaining fidelity to color, posture, object size, and camera pose, resulting in a temporarily consistent video. Here, Dreamix turns the eating monkey left to a dancing bear right. Given the prompt, a bear dancing and jumping to upbeat music, moving his whole body. Given a small collection of images showing the same subject, Dreamix can generate new videos with the subject in motion. In this example, given a small number of images of the toy fireman, Dreamix is able to extract the visual features, then animate it to lift weights while maintaining fidelity and temporal consistency. If you want to know more about this tool, please use the link which I haven't provided in description. Okay, let's continue to see more examples. In Dreamix, an object can be animated in a video using a prompt by using a single photo as a template. Similar to image to video, it is also possible to incorporate camera movements in the resulting scene or in a time-lapse recording that follows. In this example, a set of different teddy bear images are converted into a single walking teddy bear using Dreamix. Another example showcases Dreamix's ability to transform an orangutan in a pool of water left into an orangutan with orange hair bathing in a beautiful bathroom. Now we can see how it works. Mix, a diffusion-based AI video editor demonstrated by Google researchers, is capable of either modifying existing videos using text descriptions or generating new videos from an initial image. In terms of video editing, the source images are noised up and passed to a video diffusion model that generates new images from the noisy source images based on text prompts. These new images are then assembled into a video. Dreamix uses the source images as a type of sketch that captures, for instance, the shape of an animal or its movements, while also allowing for adjustments. Google's Dreamix not only modifies existing videos, but also creates new ones. Google has demonstrated two applications: video synthesis from a single image, which generates extra images by making minor alterations such as changes to the object's posture, and then applies them to the video model. By utilizing application-dependent preprocessing, our approach enables multiple applications on the left wherein the input content is transformed into a consistent video format. When converting an image to video, the input image is replicated and altered using perspective transformations, resulting in a rough video with some camera motion. For subject-driven video generation, the input is excluded and fine-tuning alone guarantees the accuracy. Next, the rough video is edited using our versatile Remix video editor on the right. We first degrade the video by reducing its resolution and introducing noise. Subsequently, we utilize the fine-tuned text-guided video diffusion model, which enhances the video quality and increases its spatial temporal resolution to the final level. I hope that you found this video informative. If you enjoyed it, kindly consider subscribing to my channel for more AI-related content.